Welcome to our channel. Practice your English listening and speaking skills through inspiring stories that touch your heart. In today's story, we meet Sofia, a young woman carrying invisible chains of fear, guilt, and doubt. But this is the story of how she breaks free. If you've ever felt stuck, if something is holding you back, then this story is for you. Listen closely. Speak out loud. And maybe, just maybe, it's your time to let go too. Hi, I'm Sofia. I'm 24 years old. And for a long time, I felt stuck. Not in a room, not in a job, but inside myself. Every morning, I woke up with a heavy heart. It felt like I was carrying something I couldn't see. Fear, guilt, and doubt. I looked in the mirror and asked, why do I feel so tired? I wasn't in prison, but I felt trapped. Trapped by fear of failure. By people who told me I wasn't good enough. By mistakes I couldn't forget. I smiled around people, but inside I was breaking. I didn't want to live like that anymore. One night, I couldn't sleep. I sat on the floor and cried. All the words people said came back to me. You're not smart enough. You always mess things up. You won't make it. Then I heard a small voice inside me say something different. But what if they're wrong? And that changed everything. The next day, I took a walk. I thought about everything I was carrying. The pain, the fear, the lies. And I said out loud, I let it go. It didn't fix everything, but I felt free, even just a little. I started doing small things, saying no when I wanted to, taking a break without feeling guilty, trying something new. I wasn't afraid of being alone anymore, because I had myself. And for the first time, that was enough. I still have hard days. But now I remember something important. I'm not weak. I was just carrying too much. Now I walk lighter. I laugh louder. And I love myself more. So if you're listening to this, maybe it's your time too. Break free. Let go. Start again. You don't need to carry the pain forever. You're allowed to be free. Thanks for listening. If this story touched your heart, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe Jenny English Academy and share with someone who needs this today. See you in the next story.